welcome to the delayed live stream. Oh, there he is, just in time. Can't wait to get my ass kicked. So, super keen. I just warmed up by losing to Alex Mer. I am so keen for this Black Templar gaming. If I kill one of your vehicles, fucking Aussie power. Man, a few words. Hasn't even said anything. He's probably busy with his stream. Must be nice having a good internet. Must be real nice. Ready when you are, champ. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. It's a good thing about playing someone like Black Templar Gaming, you know he's not going to engineer. Or is he? I hope this is one of the rounds. I'm pretty sure Claustrophobia 1v1 is one of them. Perhaps. Let's double check that. Tip regrow 3. Whatever. Dunzo, champ. You can have tip regrow for whatever the fuck you like. Let's just get playing. Just one game without lag. Don't care if I get smashed. That's all I want. Just want a fair go. Alright, let's start. First game, let's get it! Let's get it! Let's get it! Let's do it! Get some buggies. Black Templar buggies. Oh no, I'm so scared I'm gonna lose. Deploy! This is not gonna be good. Oh yeah. Look at that pixelated power plant.
New construction options.
Yes, let's go.
Construction complete.
Usually I'm clicking the buttons so much because usually it doesn't really get the first couple of presses.
Ready.
So gotta do what I can, you know what I mean?
Construction complete.
Oh, let's go for the Tiberium. That's sick.
Cancel.
Love when they go for the Tiberium, but it's my fault.
Unable to comply. Building in progress.
Go, explore the world.
Construction options. Unit.
Solo for up there because a bit too far away, I reckon.
Construction complete. Building.
Station the troops there. Don't let him get in, guys. You guys just chill here. You have a coffee. Yeah, that's cool. Whatever.
Construction complete.
Get rid of the silos. No silos needed.
Low power.
Low power indeed. Oh yeah, that troop is going to get burnt to crisp. This should just give my ELO points up just by burning this guy. Do it. Oh yeah. Now if I see some buggies just come to my base, I just know the lag is not very fair and draws. But you know, that's why we're here. We're here for lag. A couple of Apaches, couple of funzos. Explore, Flamer. It's a big world out there.
Construction complete.
Oh, well, this wasn't part of the plan. Upstairs, I'm going.
New construction.
Usually I go down, but you know.
Building. Construction complete. Unit.
It is what it is. I can hear him building silos. Terrifying silos. He's got his airstrip in the lower quartile. I'm building way too slow to be playing him.
Unit ready. Construction complete.
Is there a Tiberium field here? I probably should have checked that. Fucking
Building.
stupid.
Unit ready. Building. Construction complete. Building. Unit
Retreat.
building. Unit ready. Building. Construction complete.
Oh, this is a nice
Ready.
opportunity to get all my refineries destroyed.
Unit ready. Unit ready. Building.
Run, my buggy.
Insufficient funds. Construction complete. Unit ready. Building. Unit ready.
No. I said run. What don't you understand about fucking run?
Unit ready. Building. Unit ready. Building. Unit ready.
How does he have more than me?
Unit
Surely I have to have more than him up here. Sweet. That makes sense.
Unit ready. Building. Unit
Send some
ready.
reinforcements down here.
Building. Unit ready. Building.
Yes! Put the herd on him. He's retreating. He's scared.
Construction complete. Unit ready. Building.
Loving it. Loving it. Loving it.
Primary building selected. Building. Unit ready.
Yes, just keep it up, boys. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keeping it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Primary building selected. Unit ready. Building. Insufficient funds. Unit ready. Building. Unit ready. Unit
Bit laggy, but doable. Bit laggy, but doable. Bit
construction
laggy, but definitely doable.
unit ready.
Bit laggy, but doable. That is my saying.
Not deployed.
Ooh, he's got some recon bikes. Nice and early on the bikes. Don't like them. Let's get them.
Unit ready. Building. Unit ready. Building.
Yes.
Ready. Building.
Taking it. I'll take that. Where's my other airstrip going? There it is.
Building.
Cheeky little bitch.
Construction complete. Unit ready. Building.
Oh yes. Let's get him, guys. Let's get him. Let's get him. Let's get him. Let's get him. Join the fray. Don't be shy. Let's put some recon bikes since he's doing it. You know, monkey see, monkey do.
Cancel. Building. Unable to comply. Building disorder. Construction complete. Unit ready. Building. Unit ready.
Build a power plant. You can never have too many power plants. Am I right?
Unit
All right. No more recon bikes. Fucking sick of them already.
on hold. Cancel. Building. Unable to comply.
I've been attacking his harvester the whole time.
Unit ready. Funds. Building. Construction complete. Unit ready. Building. Unit
Too many
building.
of these fucking things.
Ready. Unit ready. Building. Construction complete. Unit ready. Not deployed here. Building. Unit ready. Unit
Put the paint on.
building.
What are you doing, harvester? You fucking cocksmoker.
Unit ready. Building.
What is happening on this side? Yeah, just a couple of fucking recon bikes just hanging around, huh? That's fucking sick.
Unit ready. Building. Unit ready. Construction complete. Building. On hold.
Fucking hurt him.
Ready. Building. Building. Unable to comply.
Alright, now you guys
In progress.
fucking attack him from that side.
Ready.
Make him pay.
Building. Construction complete. Unit ready. Building. Unit ready. Building. Unit ready.
Yes. Attack him from all angles.
Unit ready. Building.
And then some more recon.
Ready. Building. Unit ready. Building.
Let's go exploring. What can we find?
Construction complete.
Let's find this and destroy this.
Building. Unit ready.
Alright, hopefully he's too distracted with all this shit. I think he was. Yes! God damn.
Mission accomplished.
Do you like that? Sorry, Blackie, it was a great game. Now watch me get killed. I have my 1 win. I'm ready for bed. Retire as a winner. Alright, I guess he's hosting next. Oh, that's not a fair round. Surely that's not one of the rounds. Maybe that's not what he's picking. Good game indeed. Is this what we're doing? Alright. Oh God, I hope I'm bottom. I hope he didn't have too much lag there because that would just take away from everything. But I'm gathering he did. If I win this one, does that mean I win? I'm not gonna win, Pat. You know, it's all about confidence is what I say. Get those fucking... Once you get a handed nod down, anything's possible, guys. What am I talking about? I'm ready. Oh, Quarry, please, no. This map, Quarry. Ugh. Yuck. I hate Quarry. Please change it. So not only do I hate this map, it's just long and boring. Good old Quarry. I've ticked it, haven't I? Ticked here. Alright, ready for this game. Hopefully I can win. I'm not good at Quarry. For some reason, I'm shit at Quarry. I did lose to Alex Merle. So, that is saying a lot. But, to get a win against Black Templar, what's this say? You something spawn. You pick spawn. I'll go bottom right. Or we can leave random. I don't care. I don't think you pick spawn, so why is he offering? You pick spawn. Alright. It's just a bit of a flex. Like, you pick where you want to start. You know, Brotherhood of Lorpz, I'm going to kick your ass anyway. But either or, I hate this round. Good luck. Round 2. Round 2 indeed. Buggies. I pressed ready. Alright, round 2 in a Kaki Quarry. Have you ready for it? Fucking how many times am I pressing ready? Tiberi grows 3. That's not much Tiberi growing. But whatever you want. Fuck, that means I have to play another 2 games at least. Unless I win this one, which is not going to happen. Or is it? Confidence is key. Once you get a nuclear power plant and a hand job nod. Oh, that's definitely on his server. Look at that.
New construction.
Oh, well.
Unable to accomplish.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. I really hope I don't have that much lag next time because I'm fucked. Oh, please. I'm hoping he just thinks, you know what? Corey's pretty shit. And he picks another map. So, he won't. It's alright. A man can hope. Are you sure you want to do a quarry? What am I going to pick for the next map? That's going to be... I was going to do another one, but... You mean, you don't change your winning formula, do you? I didn't know quarry was one of the rounds. Actually, I do think it is one of the rounds. Alright, I am ready to get hurt by Templar. Please bestow upon me the sword of punishment. Or therefore thus something of equal pain. What time is it? So right now it's about 10:20 PM in Australia, and it is way past my bedtime. That's right. Your boy George goes to bed nice and early. Good night's sleep. Alright, let's do this. Oh, pressing it. Press the button. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's like a fucking... It's like one of those old visualization things on Media Player. It's so slow. Oh, yeah, fuck yeah, beautiful. That's sweet. That's what I want to see. Let's go, Flamer. Let's go, Flamer. Let's go, Flamer.
Construction complete.
Flamer, Flamer, Flamer.
Building.
I think that's enough flamers. Or is it?
Ready. Building. Construction complete. Building.
I hear him building things, probably faster than me.
Building in progress. Construction.
Alright, so we got some flamers. Exactly what we needed. Hey, come on, man. Come on, dude. We're all friends here. Those flames are definitely no friends of mine. Usually I'd explore more, but I feel like someone as good as Black Templar Gaming, it's just not going to get past the cracks, you know what I mean? Like, nothing's going to get past his flaming micros. So why even bother? Ah, see? One got in the base. That is sick.
Building.
That is sick.
Unit ready.
Come around the map. Oh, I'm just letting them all in. Ugh, that's such a yucky disadvantage.
Construction complete. New construction.
Now, where's his airplane? I can't see anything because I haven't explored. I see.
Low power.
Yep, low power indeed.
Construction complete. Unit ready.
Go, explore for me, my buggy. Show me.
Construction complete.
Show me what all he is hiding.
Building. Construction complete. Unit ready.
Hey, that's a bit excessive.
Unit
Can't we all just get along?
building. Construction complete. Unit ready.
Alright, we'll build down this way. You're the boss, Black Temps.
Construction complete. Unit ready. Building. Unit ready. Building. Construction complete.
We're going to need more than 25 buggies, guys. I'm going to assure you of that.
Construction complete. Building. Unit ready. Building.
Alright.
Unit ready. Building. Unit ready. Building. Construction complete. Unit ready. Building. Unit ready.
Hurt his buggies. Make him pay. For the love of Christ.
Building. Insufficient funds. Cannot deploy here.
Can you fucking, you know?
Construction complete.
Give us a chance, Precious. Give us a goddamn chance.
Building. Construction.
Oh, he's already built a fair way down. That smells like trouble for me.
Building.
That smells like he is... Yeah, that's a lot of buggies.
Unit ready.
Let's get these guys down here.
Unit ready.
You know, let's buy some time. Get him, get him, get him.
Unit
Guys, come on.
building.
Alright.
Unit ready. Building.
Where's that turret coming? We're gonna need some turrets. Where's those turrets? Need some turrets.
Ready. Building. Construction complete.
Alright, see, these turrets that scares everyone away. Oh shit.
Building. Unit ready.
Hey, leave my silo alone, you know? It's only a place to store Tiberium.
Building.
You know, just put one of them there.
Complete. Building.
Good job, turrets. Just really saving me what he's probably got his third war factory or airstrip or whatever you call it. Let's come back here. Let's hide behind them. Let's hide.
Insufficient funds. Construction complete. Unit
Hey, leave that turret alone.
building. Construction complete. Unit
Can't do much. He's not letting me do much. I think I'm gonna lose.
ready.
I think I'm gonna lose by a fair while.
Repairing.
Now, guys, where did it all go wrong? Was it when I wasn't on my server? Ah, I needed that refinery.
Building.
Can I just... Yeah. This is what I more expected.
Building. Unit
Oh, yeah.
building. Unit ready. Building. Construction complete.
Alright.
Unit ready.
Last game? Does that mean it's the last game? I hope not. Ah. If I win... Oh, yeah, wait. Oh, that's asking. Alright. One game left to rule them all. Let's see what he likes. He likes Tiberium 3. And there you go, champ. Lost in Kenya, 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 lost in Kenya. Yeah. Because it's a 4 map, we don't want to start next to each other, so I'll let him decide where he wants to be. Play requires this map. Well, that's a good sign. For me. If we get some good, you know, some good internet. What map? Lost in Kenya. He doesn't want to play Lost in Kenya. I hope you guys are enjoying the stream. If you are watching for the first time, please do subscribe to my small channel. Go, Brotherhood of Lorpz. Let's do it. I've never played those other two positions. Like as in, I've only done top left, top right, bottom left. Where would I move my MCVs if, yeah, I'll build across. If there, I'll build upwards. Okay, donezo, I know what I'm doing. Where is he? Did he quit? Did he concede defeat? Did I win? Come on. People have bed to sleep in. Come on, champion. What positions do you want? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, mother of God. I'm not even. Do you reckon if I ask him what position he wants, we'll just leave? Bro, fuck off. Who's this cunt? I'm yellow. What the fucking... You... He's orange. Okay. What positions do you want? What are spawns? Ah, damn. I wanted the other ones. Okay. Making my MCV. I'm gonna move my MCV, guys. I'm doing it. Yeah, you too. Good luck to you too, champ. I'm gonna get my ass kicked. Look at that map. Yeah, that's some good ass kicking. Damn it! I didn't really want to do this. Oh well. Alright, not the worst lag I've ever had. Or is it?
New construction options.
Probably she didn't need to do that on hindsight.
Unable to comply. Building in progress. Construction complete. New construction options. Building. Construction complete. Unable to comply. Building in progress. Unit ready. Building.
Oh, I shouldn't have picked this map.
Unit ready.
Oh well.
Construction
Got the
complete.
nuclear power plants down. The hand job of Nod is in
New
full
construction
effect.
Options. Unit ready. Building.
I don't even know if this little bit of Tiberium here is worth a fucking refinery, but
Complete.
you know what?
Unit
When in Rome.
building. Unit
See what I mean? There's no point scouting because he's just gonna fuck everything I send.
Building.
Oh yeah, just let his infantry run wild and free past everything. Oh, come on.
Building. Unit ready. Our base is under attack. No power.
Fuck off, cunt. Fucking do some exploring. Yep, get him, burn him to a crisp. Alright. We got that handy airstrip.
New construction
Power plant there, refinery there, refinery there. I think there's a bit of Tiberium up there, so
Construction
not
complete.
ideal, but
Unit ready. Building. Reinforcements have arrived.
the fuck is his
Unit
airstrip?
ready. Building. Reinforcements have arrived. Unit ready.
I don't know.
Construction
Yeah,
complete.
get that for me.
Building. Reinforcements have arrived. Unit ready. Insufficient funds. Unit lost.
Yeah.
Unit ready. Building. Reinforcements have arrived. Unit lost. Unit ready. Building. Construction complete.
Why do I always have no money?
Lost. Building. Unit ready. Unit
Let's grab
lost.
everyone.
Reinforcements have arrived. Building. Unit ready. Unit lost. Reinforcements have arrived.
How does he have so much more buggies than me?
Building. Unit lost.
Fucking hell, a fair bit as well. Is it
Reinforcements have arrived.
lag of my build? Is it just my
Unit
shitness?
ready. Building.
He's coming around the other side as he comes.
Have arrived. Unit lost. Unit ready. Building. Unit lost.
What are my buggies doing?
Unit ready. Building. Unit lost.
Fuck me up the ass.
Insufficient funds. Construction complete. Reinforcements have arrived. Unit ready. Our base is under attack. Building. No power. Construction complete. Unit ready.
Come on. Kill these fucking buggies.
Building. Unit lost. Unit ready. Reinforcements.
I have no idea how things ended up like this, guys.
Building. Unit
But
lost.
they did.
Ready. Reinforcements have arrived. Building. Unit ready. Unit lost. Reinforcements have arrived. Reinforcements have arrived.
Put the pressure on because I know he didn't sell his construction yard.
Unit ready. Unit lost. Reinforcements have arrived. Reinforcements have arrived. Building. Unit ready. Unit lost. Reinforcements have arrived. Building. Unit
I didn't build light tanks. Or did I?
On hold.
Yeah, I didn't really go to a high Tiberium area. Or should I say areola?
Unable to comply. Building in progress.
Alright, let's get these boys where the action is.
Unit ready. Reinforcements have arrived.
No, no.
Building. Unit lost. Unit ready. Reinforcements have arrived. Building. Unit ready. Unit lost. Reinforcements have arrived. Unit lost. Unit ready. Building. Reinforcements have
Whoops.
arrived. Unit
At least I hang on there a little bit.
Building. Reinforcements have arrived.
It's got to be another way around with there's no
Unit
turrets.
Ready. Reinforcements have arrived. Building. Reinforcements have arrived. Unit ready. Unit lost. Reinforcements have arrived. Building. Unit lost. Unit ready. Reinforcements have arrived. Building. Unit lost. Unit ready. Reinforcements have arrived. Building. Unit lost. Unit ready. Reinforcements have arrived. Unit lost. Building. Unit ready. Reinforcements
Damn
have
it!
arrived.
I was like, shit, this game, I've got the worst Tiberium spots.
Reinforcements have arrived. Unit ready. Reinforcements have arrived. Building.
And that's going to be game.
Lost.
Very disappointed.
Reinforcements have arrived. Unit ready. Unit lost.
Now they've gone around there. The Tiberium's all depleted there. I needed to get a better Tiberium field. That is just not Grand Chancellor of the...
Reinforcements have arrived. Unit ready.
It sucks.
Reinforcements have
Yes, I know.
Unit lost. Unit lost. Unit ready. Building. Unit lost. Reinforcements have arrived. Unit ready. Unit lost. Building. Reinforcements have arrived.
Alright guys, that one sucked. I obviously put my refineries where there wasn't much Tiberium, and that's what caused me to lose in the end. However, he did have a lot more buggies than me anyway, so... is what it is. Is what it is. Alright. If he plays the quarry again. Surely not. Any other round? Any, yeah, heavy metal's fine. Surely not. Surely we have more than a quarry. Just trying to get the win in because he knows I'm shit at quarry. Just try a fun map. Whatever. Oh, good on you, Black Templar. I was just thinking that you were going to do quarry again. I severely underestimated you. Not really, I actually thought you were like one of the best Command & Conquer players, so I didn't underestimate you at all. Yes, heavy metal. I'm happy to get smashed in heavy metal. More than. This is the exact map I lost to Alex Merle on just before the tournament started. Top left versus bot right. Sounds good to me. Don't give a fuck where I am. Julian says there's always an advantage with these things, but I don't really give a shit. Jules, I know you said it, but I just don't care. Do not care, Jules. Don't care where it is. For those wondering, Jules, Peasy, my brother, he said every map has an advantage, especially these ones, but I'm guessing I'll let him, yeah. So I'll go here. Cool. I don't care. I don't care, Jules. Last game, or is it? That's kind of like the music I associate with heavy metal, that song I was singing, which you could clearly tell. That was the song I was singing. What is the time? It's getting 11 o'clock. You better win soon. Black Templar, you better win soon. Should I move my MCV? I usually don't. Why mess with the classic? Yeah, let's move it. Let's move it. Let's don't move it. Move it. Don't move it. I'm moving it. Ah, oh, this lag is extreme.
New construction.
Oh yeah.
Building. Unable to comply. Building in progress. Construction complete.
What am I building? What am I building? Why am I building? Oh, these are great spots for refineries. You know what? I don't even have to worry about engineers, and I love it because I know he's streaming. He's not want to engineer me in front of all his pals. It's a win-win situation. Now all my flames are spawning on the Tiberium. This is awesome. You can't tell, Marge, I was being sarcastic.
Building. Construction complete.
How many refineries is that? Oh, I should go to power plant before the other one. Oh well. I'm sure not many people would just fuck up and say, oh well, against Black Templar Gaming, but oh well indeed.
Construction complete.
Let's just do it up there. Nice.
Building.
Hey, fuck off. How do I keep letting minigunners into my fucking base? Thank you. Ah, the back door, which I had a flamer there for. He's going to hit my power plant. It's all going to go to shit. He's going for the power plant, you can tell. What are you guys doing? Find me some fucking power plants or something. Oh my god. He's got a lot of cash to splurge on these sexy... I don't even have time for these idiots. How does he already have that down? I literally built as fast as I can. Yeah.
Unit ready. Building. Repairing.
How does he build them down so fast? I literally built as fast as I can. I think that's what it means to have lots of lag.
Unit ready. Building.
Ah.
Unit ready. Building. Unit ready. Building.
Hey, leave it alone.
Unit ready. Building.
Hey, that's enough of that, eh?
Building. Construction complete.
Why am I building fucking power plants? Because he was attacking it. I thought I was low power. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is so stupid. I'm gonna get my ass kicked. And where the fuck are these buggies that I ordered?
Building.
I'm wasting on these fucking minigunners.
Unable to comply. Building in progress. Building.
How does he have so many buggies?
Cancel.
Hey, leave my refinery alone, Black Templar.
Building. Unit ready. Building. Unit ready. Building.
What? Another two?
Building. Construction complete.
Alright, I guess there's no time like the present for some stupid, stinky turrets.
Unit ready. Building.
My anus.
Unit ready.
Well, if I didn't,
Construction complete. Unit ready. Building.
oh, at least it's bedtime. Let's look on the positives of life, shall we? How did you get them down? I'm gonna have to watch this because
Ready.
I did nothing wrong except everything.
Building. Unit
Hey, stop killing stuff.
building. Unit ready.
There's no, is there even any point? Hey!
Insufficient funds.
I didn't even get the money from selling that. Oh, my refineries are gone. This hurts my soul. Stupid. How did he get them down so fast? Surely he didn't. What's it called? Oh, that's nice. It's after my base already.
Building. Unit ready. Unit
Oh, that's a lot of turrets. I can't handle that many turrets.
Unit ready. Building. Unit ready. Building. Unit ready. Building. Unit ready.
Oh well, it's over. It's a nice first up win,
Unit ready. Building.
but all good things must come to an end.
Unit ready.
Especially this game, because this was just shambles. It wasn't even a stinky quarry.
Building. Unit ready. Building.
Yeah, it's over.
Unit ready. Building. Unit ready. Building. Building. Silos needed.
Silos needed. Alright, it's all over, guys. Thanks for watching that. It was a nice 1-3 win by the Black Templar Gaming. Very well played indeed. And yeah, there we go. Just happy to have one win on the board. The other times is just the troops came out too fast. I couldn't do anything. So one of those things. Hopefully I was recording. And I'll see you on the next one.